Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the monthly chart for Select Comfort SCSS at the end of June 2017, and I want to show you the importance of always considering monthly charts. So here we can see the close of June 2017. Looks like a nice breakout in terms of price, especially if you only consider price. That did look like a breakout, but I can show you here there were some things on the chart that were a problem. And again, the importance of making sure you account for the monthly charts is if you take a look at where the RSI was and connect the top line of the RSI, we ended the month of June exactly on this line. So that's your initial warning that in the new month of June or whenever, if you get a confirmation of resistance, chances are this could be a major top and that this breakout could be a fake out. So that's your first warning line. The other one is a line going back to the initial break here, all the way back in 2004. So we break down here in 2004, corresponding with the movement of those highs, and we get this drop. Now we take that information and draw a straight line right there, bang. Now what you're gonna see on this line is over the last 13 years or so, every time we drop below this line, we have a significant pullback on the stock. Back below the line, pullback. Here we stayed above the line right there with uniform action for that entry. Here we drop below the line, which is the movement of those highs. We stall on the line, that monthly high. We move back below the line, which is this movement of that level, before we go into a significant drop. So we know that the fact that we ended the month of June exactly on that line, or on the two lines that I just drawn, so we ended right here. So let's take that off and do it one more time. We have RSI top line as your first warning sign, and then number two, we got this line here. As you can see, we ended the month of June exactly at that level. Any type of resistance in the new month here would be for warning sign to get out. Confirmation of resistance there would be a reason to get out. Now let's take a look at the current monthly chart, and here you have it for the month of July 2017. The stock is already down, let's call it about 15%, and we can see confirmation of resistance on line number 1 and confirmation of resistance on line number 2. So the pullback this month should not really be a surprise. So let's make sure we account for those monthly charts, because sometimes they do give you a good idea as to what is about to happen whenever you get a confluence of resistance line or support lines that come into play. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. SCSS. Wow.